In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use AI to generate app script for Google Sheets. So app script is where you can create your own functions that you can use within the different Google apps. So of course, here in Google Sheets, we can definitely create our own functions with the help of app script. But for me, who has no idea how to create scripts or JavaScripts or no coding background, I'm going to enlist the help of AI to help me create those custom functions. So in this example, what I want to do is to actually highlight my salary column right here. And what I want to highlight are the amounts or the values that are over 60,000. And again, I can do that with a custom function that I can create in AppScript. So I'm going to start by going to the extensions here in the menu bar, click on AppScript, and that will open in another tab. So this is our app script, and this is where we can enter the code, the JavaScript that will create that custom function within our spreadsheet in Google Sheets. Now, since again, I do not have any coding background, I have no idea how to create JavaScript, I'm going to use the help of AI. So the AI that I'm going to use for this one is ChatGPT. I think it's one of the most reliable ones out there that you can use to create this script. And this is the prompt that I've created. So I wanted to generate a script that will create a custom function within AppScript in Google Sheets. That will highlight my column F, which is my salary column, in the color green. And I only wanted to highlight the values that are over $60,000. I also wanted to add a custom menu so that I can keep highlighting the new or edited values within my spreadsheet. So in creating your prompts, you have to be as specific as you can so it can do what you want. So the specifications will help the tool understand what you actually want to do with your custom function. And I already specified what I want, and this is what it has given me. So here's the app script. It will highlight my salary column only in the color green, and that is only for the values that are greater than $60,000. Also, it will be adding the custom menu, which will be named Salary Tools right here, which we can again just click to be able to highlight new or edited values. So here is our JavaScript. What we're going to do now is to just copy it right here. Once you've copied that, it will tell you what to do. You will be opening extensions, then AppScript, delete any existing code, then paste the script, save the project, refresh the spreadsheet, and you'll see the new menu called Salary Tools on your menu bar. So let's go ahead and do that. Go back to your AppScript because we've already opened it right here. It told us to delete everything, which we will do, then just paste. So I'm going to use my keyboard shortcut of Control V or Command V. I'm going to save, and there you go. So what I'm going to do next is to just go back to my spreadsheet. I'm going to refresh the page. And here we have our new custom menu. So it does say Salary Tools, and if I click on it, it will show me this option, which is exactly what we want to do. If I click on it, it will now ask me the authorization. We're going to click on OK. So we're going to allow the permissions for this one. And here we have it. So once you've allowed those permissions, it will go ahead and run the script. And here we have it. So all of the values that are over 60,000 are now highlighted in green. And there you have it. So even though I do not have any background in JavaScript or coding, I was able to create a custom function with the help of AI with that custom menu already here in the menu bar for me to just click and update and again highlight the values within my spreadsheet. If I were to edit this part right here, let's make it 65. Press enter. It hasn't been highlighted yet, but if I go back to that custom menu and click on highlight salaries over 60,000, there you have it. It has now been highlighted. And with that, we were able to use AI to generate app script for a custom menu right here in Google Sheets. Now, I do have other videos on how to use AI within Google Sheets. If you want to check that out, I'll be leaving a playlist at the top right corner for you to click and watch. Also, if you still need extra help with Sheets, I've got a free guide linked in the description below. that you should definitely check out. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.